Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog video. So before moving forwards, I really want to say sorry just because of my video uploading irregularity. I know I'm not that much regular to my videos. Actually, this is all happening just because of studies, exam pressure and many more things due to which I'm not capable of shooting videos. And before it's gonna be month, I just shoot a random study vlog for all my lovely viewers, those who wait for my videos. And I also asked a question in my community post few days ago that how many of you want to make me a day study vlog or a night study vlog. So majority of the people just voted for the day study vlog, so I'm representing a new day study vlog. I hope you all guys like it, so let's give it a watch.
To start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? What a long night, the week was dragging by. I deserve a morning for myself and I. I'm proud of my work, I turned it around. I'm burning the fuse, I don't wanna burn out. Gotta stay mindful, right? Nobody's calling me, so what's the rush? Who's waiting? Ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by? Go on by and take your time. The world can wait for an hour of yours we can afford. Lying in bed and locking the door. What's one morning laying up? It's sleeping on a Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call. And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world turn to Sunday when nobody's waiting on a call? And if we want a sun ray, you know we can pull it from the window pane. We can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go?
Generally, it took 2 to 3 hours to read a particular chapter to revise it properly. But by doing so, we all can just revise all the chapters of a single subject in just 2 to 3 hours. Each and every chapter are connected back to back according to NCERT. So if every new day you are going to read any new chapter, and before that if you revise the linked chapter or give it a look to your short notes, then it will help you to understand the next chapter easily. And this is actually the benefit of making short notes. If you don't make short notes, then start making it because it plays a very beneficial role.
It's the new wave, turn it up, I'm in the backseat chilling with your girl, what's up? She wanna talk all day, but I'm not in the mood. I'm trying to dance all night, I got something to do. I make hits for the people at home in their rooms, looking for a reason to get out of it soon. Found me on the internet just making some moves. Now I'm going up, CNN on the news. She gon' shake, shake, shake like a bottle, she popped that. I'm off that, pull up.